How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to NTX Aviation. Hope you're having a fantastic day. And here today we have another unboxing of the Avianca Airbus A320 in the Surf City, El Salvador livery by NG model. The registration is November 686 Tango Alpha. And from my knowledge, I do believe this is the only Avianca El Salvador that any 1 to 400 manufacturer has made. So that means it will have the El Salvador flag and registration on it. Anyways, I got this through the NG models, how do you say it, the collector rewards program. So I got this model for free using my NG model points. I've had it sitting around for a while. I thought I can just make a video on it this time, but I'm super excited for it. You know, the livery is beautiful. I'll put the flight radar stats up now with the age and the specifications about it. Here's the box. Without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Okay guys, so here's today's model. It is Avianca El Salvador Airbus A320 from NG model. Right off the bat, it's a beautiful livery. I've seen some photos of this online, but so I think the paint that NG did, it looks really accurate to the real life one that I've seen. But we'll just start at the front like we always do. Cockpit windows look to be accurately positioned. And you have some nice detail there with the windshield wipers, and then you have the, I believe that's this static discharge port. Star Alliance icon. There's a good forward tilt on the nose gear, which is realistic. Here's your L1 door, has some nice detail on it. Avianca titles with the Surf City, El Salvador above that. Moving on, here we have the wing with the overwing exits right here, and then I think there's like some, I'm not sure, this little outline here might be another emergency exit right here as well. On the wing it says Avianca. Here's the engines. It has the bird on it. I'm not sure what type of bird that is. Here are the winglets. It has a nice blue on the top, and is that I believe it's a white on the bottom. And then you have some nice red little dots on the back of the, what are they called, the flap bearings. Moving towards the back of the aircraft and the top, we have the antenna details and the SATCOM Wi-Fi box. We have the surfer here, and then the L2 door with the registration November 686 Tango Alpha. And there's the El Salvador flag with and just above that on the tail we have a, I'm not sure how to describe this, is like a wave icon, I'm not really sure. Flip the model around here, pretty much the same on this side. Though on the wing over here it shows the registration. Then you have the two cargo holds right there and right there. They look to be accurately detailed. There's the top of the aircraft from you. So from a bird's eye view right here. In fact, I can do this. Then here is the bottom of the aircraft. It also says Avianca and the registration on the bottom as well. Overall, I think it looks great. I think it's very good. It'll be a great one to add to the collection. Yeah, it's just really nice to have an Avianca El Salvador plane, even though it is in the special livery. But yeah, I think NG did a great job here with just the overall execution of detail and the coloration. It looks really good, and they've always had a very good A320 mold for their models. But yeah, once again, overall, it's a really good job. thank you all for watching. Hope you all have a great day. I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.